Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you the progress on the garden I started. Well, it's not technically a garden yet. This is just the progression of my okra plants. So I show you what they look like as seeds, and then when they started sprouting. Oh, look how beautiful they are. I'm gonna put the timestamp on when I started and what they look like today. But I made sure I kept the seeds really wet when they were first growing, almost drowned them. I'm not sure if that's good. And I just kept repotting them as they got a little larger. So I didn't do too much. I just used some old pots and cups that we had lying around in like oatmeal containers. And they started coming along nicely. I put some eggshells in there because I heard it's good for your plants. And then as they started to outgrow those areas, I decided to repot them yet again in this little plant bed thing that I got from Home Depot, and I thought it was super cute. So this is how you repot. Basically what you do is you flip it upside down, taking the soil that you originally had with you. What you want to do is keep them in a similar environment so they're not shocked or anything like that. And then you put them in the other soil. I filled it up a little bit and then put the plants in with their soil attached, and then I added a little bit more on top. And one thing that I've found has been useful is making sure that the plants receive water at least every 2 days, and I try to keep them in the sun just because of what I know about science and how plants grow. Recently, for this bigger pot, I've been putting in bananas and still with the eggshells, and it's been growing. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Like, comment, and subscribe.